Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MetaBank account using your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your web browser. In the address box at the top, type in www.metabank.com and search. In the official website of MetaBank, which looks like this, tap on the Login to Online Banking button at the top left. Soon after you do that, you should see an expanded menu. Now, you can choose between personal or business online login area, select one of your options, and then enter your username and your password in the text boxes. In my case, I'm going to type in my credential into the personal tab, so make sure to type in your username correct every time you log into your account. Now, after you're done, head over to the password text field and enter your password. After you're done typing in your credentials, you can tap on the Go button in order to log in. But in case you don't remember your password, you can tap on this link that says Forgot Password. Follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password, which will be much easier for you to remember next time. If you've not enrolled for your online banking account, you can tap on this Ready to Register Your Account link. Register yourself to a new account by following the instructions. Finally, after everything's done, once you tap on the Go button, you'll be logged into your online banking account on MetaBank. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.